Here's some candy tumble dry examples. So Smart Touch, you press them two and you just do it by your phone. Synthetics, mix and dry, cotton, super easy iron, all them cycles it has. And as I say, it has a lock. It's 9 kilogram, super easy, and it's care for clothes. Grand fitter, my selection. It has time daily. Oh. If you want it to start in 4 hours, you can, or 5 or 6. Does just 24 hours. You have to clean this every 20 cycles. Sorry, my camera's blurry. A water tank. That needs to be done as well. And especially this. Every 20 cycles as well. And as you can see, it's a big drum. It has quite a lot of cycles on. And it's a candy, so you can get it either from Currys or Argos. I got it from AO.com. This tumble dryer, I've got 2. And if you wanted this on, just about the same, every 20 cycles, you clean it out. And that every 20 cycles. And on this, it has towels, gentle care, super short 5 kilogram, mixing daily, outdoor sport. And as you can see, it's new because I haven't even took the label thing off yet. So, it's up to you what one. Got some tumble dry sheets, Wilkinson. They can be good. So, it was an example